All right, so we're just doing a cold start for the 1994 TVR Chimaera. Just gonna go around the front just to show that the engine is cold. So headers, manifolds, everything stone cold. Can you just turn the key to the first position? Turn. So hit mute on that. All right, so cold temperature. Gonna come around the back to actually start it. All right, go ahead and start it. All right, so cold start. I'm gonna make another driving video to try and get a little bit better running exhaust noise. You rev it a couple times. Couple more. More. Okay. Been a little bit cooler in the morning, so just a little bit of moisture in the exhaust burning off. You know, no oil smoke or coolant or anything like that on cold start. And like I said, I'm gonna do a driving video just to try and get a better idea of what the actual exhaust sounds when we're actually running. All right.